Push-ups aren't just some fundamental bodyweight movement your PE instructor forced you to perform in junior high. They're one of the rare exercises that can entirely transform how your physique appears and operates. Most individuals only anticipate one outcome from this movement, but I'm going to reveal what genuinely occurs to your body when you begin executing it consistently. The first thing that transpires, your chest starts reconstructing itself from the foundation upward. Most individuals believe push-ups only target your chest, but that's merely skimming the surface. When you descend and drive back upward, you're activating the pectoralis major and minor. But here's what's genuinely fascinating. You're striking these muscles from numerous angles in one movement. Unlike a bench press where you're confined to one plane of motion, push-ups compel your chest muscles to operate through their complete range while simultaneously stabilizing your entire physique. This generates a type of muscle activation you can't obtain from machines or even free weights. Your chest doesn't merely get larger. It gets more powerful, more functional, and more sculpted. But here's where it gets genuinely intriguing. Your triceps are getting absolutely destroyed during every single repetition. These are the muscles on the posterior of your arms that provide you that carved, toned appearance everyone desires. Most individuals invest hours executing tricep kickbacks and overhead extensions. But push-ups train your triceps in the most natural functional manner possible. Every occasion you drive yourself upward, your triceps are activating intensely to extend your arms. And because you're supporting your complete body weight, they're getting loaded significantly heavier than most isolation movements could ever deliver. After several weeks of consistent push-ups, you'll observe your arms appearing more sculpted and experiencing strength in ways that astonish you. Your shoulders are the subsequent area that begins transforming, and this is where push-ups become almost mystical. The deltoids, rotator cuff muscles, and all the minute stabilizers surrounding your shoulder joint are operating overtime during every single rep. Consider it. Your shoulders must remain stable while supporting your body mass, control the lowering, and power the elevation. This constructs genuine shoulder strength and stability that transfers into everything else you execute. Extending overhead, hoisting objects, even resting on your side becomes more comfortable because your shoulders are becoming indestructible. And unlike overhead pressing movements that can stress your shoulder joint, push-ups maintain you in a more natural joint-friendly position. If you've ever experienced shoulder complications, push-ups often become the pathway back to pain-free upper body training. Now here's something most individuals completely overlook about push-ups. They're secretly one of the superior core exercises you can perform. Your abs, obliques, and deep core muscles are operating constantly to maintain your body in that flawless plank position. This isn't the artificial core work you obtain from crunches. This is authentic core strength. Every rep compels your transverse abdominis, that deep muscle that functions like your body's natural weight belt, to activate intensely and maintain your spine neutral. Your obliques are preventing rotation and lateral bending. Your rectus abdominis is preventing you from drooping in the center. It's like executing a dynamic plank that also constructs your upper body. After several weeks of push-ups, you'll observe your posture enhancing, your back experiencing strength, and your core experiencing solidity during daily activities. That's because you're constructing the type of functional core strength that genuinely matters in authentic life. But wait, there's more occurring that most individuals never comprehend. Your entire posterior chain begins activating. Your latissimus dorsi, those substantial wing muscles in your back, are operating to stabilize your torso. Your middle and lower trapezius are activating to maintain your shoulder blades in position. Even your glutes are contracting to maintain your body straight. Push-ups compel your entire body to operate as one connected unit. And that's where the genuine magic transpires. You're not merely constructing individual muscles. You're constructing coordination, balance, and that athletic quality that renders everything else experience easier. And because your body must communicate and coordinate through every rep, your nervous system begins getting more efficient. Your brain becomes superior at recruiting muscle fibers. Your balance enhances, and your body awareness increases dramatically. Before we discuss the mental transformation that occurs with push-ups, I want to mention that while push-ups are incredibly powerful, they're just one instrument in a complete fitness arsenal. If you desire a comprehensive approach to transforming your entire body and experiencing younger, stronger, and more confident, that's what we're building here at LiftZip, where progress is the lifestyle. But here's something nobody discusses. Push-ups are a cardiovascular workout disguised as strength training. When you sequence together sets of push-ups with minimal rest, your heart rate elevates, your breathing intensifies, and your body begins burning calories at an accelerated rate. This metabolic effect doesn't merely transpire during your workout. The muscle construction and repair process from push-ups maintains your metabolism elevated for hours after you complete. You're burning more calories throughout the day, even when you're positioned at your desk or observing TV. And because push-ups construct lean muscle mass, they increase your baseline metabolic rate. More muscle signifies more calories burned merely to maintain your body, which signifies easier fat reduction and superior body composition over time. The cardiovascular benefits extend even deeper. Your heart becomes stronger from circulating blood to operating muscles. Your lungs become more efficient at delivering oxygen. Your circulation enhances throughout your entire body. It's like cardio that genuinely renders you stronger and more muscular instead of merely exhausted. Here's where push-ups become more than merely exercise. They become character construction. There's something about that instant when your muscles are burning, your form begins to deteriorate, and your mind is instructing you to cease. But you force out one more rep regardless. That's where genuine growth transpires, not merely in your muscles, but in your mindset. Push-ups instruct you how to drive through discomfort, how to maintain form under pressure, and how to continue advancing when circumstances become difficult. These lessons transfer into every area of your existence. You begin observing that you handle stress superior. Difficult conversations don't experience as overwhelming. Challenges at work become more manageable. That's because you've been training your mind to drive through resistance every single occasion you execute push-ups. And there's something uniquely satisfying about being capable of driving your own body weight off the ground. It connects you to your own strength in a primal, fundamental manner. No equipment required, no gym membership necessary. Just you and gravity operating together to construct something superior. This constant progression maintains your body adapting and growing, preventing plateaus and boredom. Now, most individuals mess up push-ups in ways that rob them of these benefits, but these mistakes are straightforward to correct once you comprehend what to observe. Here are the 3 biggest errors I observe. First, permitting your hips to sag or pike upward. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Sagging hips places stress on your lower back and reduces core activation. Piking upward renders the exercise easier but eliminates most of the benefits. Second, not progressing through the complete range of motion. Your chest should nearly contact the ground at the bottom, and your arms should fully extend at the top. Partial reps provide you partial results. Control the descent. Pause briefly at the bottom, then drive upward with intention. Third, neglecting proper hand placement. Your hands should be slightly broader than shoulder width, positioned under your chest, not your shoulders. Fingers spread broad for stability. And consider screwing your hands into the ground to generate tension through your entire upper body. Now you're probably wondering about frequency and volume. If you're just commencing, aim for 3 sets of as many quality reps as you can execute, 3 times per week. Focus on flawless form over numbers. It's superior to execute 5 perfect push-ups than 20 sloppy ones. 5 push-ups executed consistently for a year will transform your body more than executing 50 push-ups once and never again. If you're ready to experience what push-ups can genuinely execute for your body, commence today. Drop down and provide me your superior set right now. Your future self will thank you for taking that first step toward becoming stronger, healthier, and more confident. This is LiftZip, where we train smart and build strength that lasts. If this helped you see push-ups differently, drop a comment below and let us know how you're incorporating them into your training. Keep training with purpose. Keep moving forward. Let's keep leveling up together.